Right now, the music business of a new Dan, Vyza Dan. What going, brother?
Yeah, man, Sanjay, man. Big up yourself.
That's like Vyza Dan. Introduce yourself. 3 words to describe your musical sound, your style.
Well, my musical sound, intense.
Yeah.
Different and unique.
What make it so different? What make it so unique? What make it intense?
Well, we can go the high pitch and we can go the low pitch. We can go basically wherever we want.
So you have a big range.
You know? Yeah, man, we have a big range. You know, you can't just DJ alone. People them need to hear melody and I think. So me I say. So them can sing along, you know?
You sing on them things as well.
Yeah, man, we sing on them things, man.
And right now, you bring me a trench town, right?
Trench town!
I never even know it's a trench town have a train.
Yeah, man.
How
we
long
have
the train
man. I can't take the train and all of me, Sanjay.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
From granny time, but God bless her soul, she pass on, you know?
That's true.
But yeah, from granny time.
So train line run through trench town?
Yeah, man.
How train reach us?
Well, I don't know, they have the ask people them back in the days, because them have all of the history, you know what I mean?
You have a big song right now called Trench Town.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Why Trench Town?
I have to represent for my place, Sanjay. So I say Trench Town, my born and grow. So I say rich culture, music. No Bob Marley and the whole works already. So I say, but I have to represent for my place. See, I couldn't represent for Tivoli Garden because I live there. So
yeah.
You get me, I say. So yes, the thing, the Trench Town.
We know Bob Marley and the greats come from it, but tell us, what is so rich about Trench Town right now?
Well, the people them nice, Sanjay. I mean, despite what we're hearing on the news and the media, you know, some of it is true, but the people them wonderful. You get to me, I say, yeah man, welcome in.
And a while ago, there a reason with one of the man show me say, yo, studio there, like, whoa.
Yeah man, alright over there's one studio there right now, not a natural studio, you see me?
Yeah.
There's a potential kid by a big song, so nice.
So, Wally studio, so are there a lot of artists in Trench Town?
Yeah man, a whole heap over there, you know. Whole heap out, Zina try to make it out.
So the legacy lives on then?
Lives on, through the youth them, I try for the music.
Any other notable stars that come out from Trench Town?
Yeah, we have Lance, we have late great Bunny Wailer.
Yeah.
We have Alton Ellis.
Yeah.
We have Bob Marley, as you know.
Yeah.
You know, Peter Tosh, all of them. Legends.
Now we have Vyza Dan.
Now we have Vyza Dan. Yeah man, we're up on the trail, you know.
Talk to you about the career now. How has the journey been?
Journey has been humble. You get to me, because I have a song named Humble too. You know, when I hype up on people, you know what I mean? But the journey has been humble. And we're grateful for every opportunity we get. You know what I mean? And we just grace ourselves through life with the tools that God gives. So we're there.
Seems like you have built a little momentum recently now.
Yeah man, the people them love what I go on, the people them are listening. You get to me, so them are looking and we are look out. So yeah, that's the thing there. You know what I mean? We have to get the support from our community. You know what I mean? Because if you don't have the support, the Sanjay, you know going to reach where you want to reach. I mean, the people them have to dance a yard for your dance abroad. So yeah.
Production wise and team wise, who you work with?
Well, we're currently working with Unisys Music now. We have worked with Roots Impact, Rolling Dice Music, that's outside of Canada. You know what I mean? And we have worked with a lot of producers. You know, not the big name one as yet, you know, yeah. But we're getting there.
Who would you describe as some of your musical influences?
Well, Damian Marley for sure. You know what I mean? And it's not because of Trench Town. A long time I listen to Damian Marley. You get to me, I say. I'm a school girlfriend introduced me to Damian Marley, the album. You get to me, I say, half for three. And I'm from there, so I say, yo, gang bad. Yeah, man, in words, them different. You know what I mean? And how him deliver the music and present it to you. You know, you just have to listen. So
it's a great musical role model for you then?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Damian Marley, man, for sure.
That I go, anybody else?
We have John Legend, because you know I like to sing a bit. You know what I mean? And yeah, we rate the teacher too. At Addy, Sean, Paul, Shaggy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Based on what them do.
So seem like a lot of the artists them have a, you know what I mean, have a professional, strong movement.
Yeah, man, you have to do the thing professional, Sanjay. I mean, you're there, you think of a structure. You get to me and say, when you look on what them man they do, you know what you do now. And that you have to match it with if you want to reach for them man there. You know, you want to reach for Shaggy there, Sean Paul there.
Yeah.
You can't lazy up the thing you get me and say, you have to take a page out of them book, do what them do and make it greater.
How you feel about music there right now, in terms of even like the dancehall and everything there?
Well, dancehall need a lot of work. You know what I mean? And when I say a lot of work, I mean like corporate not really sponsor dancehall as much. You know, and the rhythm them what I make right now, them basically plastic. You know, no disrespect to the producer them, because you know we DJ upon them rhythm there as well, so we can't play hypocrite to the thing. But we don't have no authentic dancehall rhythm I make now, like
Be a hip hop
is
rhythm I make.
dancehall, you get me I say?
Yeah.
So we make trap music, sorry, which is not really our culture. You get me I say? So
Real talk.
you really have to get back some authentic dancehall rhythm in the place. You get me I say? Them rhythm there, I'm So Special, Fever, authentic dancehall rhythm, you see it on the billboard. So I guess we're doing something wrong. We need to go back to the drawing board. But big up to the producer them. You see, no disrespect.
How has even the whole pandemic affected your career personally?
Tangier for us, give thanks that we even still there. You get me I say, me there for a reason. Okay, you know, because a lot of things could happen different. You know what I mean? But we still do music, and we still do the thing. We can't give up. I mean, despite what going on with the pandemic and such, you know, we still go studio, we still release some music them because the fans them still listen. You get me? So we have to just find means and ways and avenues to get our music to them ears.
It's been basically a year now. Have you noticed any visible changes in basically like the climate of Trenchtown in any form of way?
No, you know, I mean, well, the corona just started. I mean, if you watch the news, people are out and about. Yeah. You know, I guess I never take it so serious, but you know, it hasn't changed that much. People them still there, people them still a vibe. You know, them a social distance and I do them thing. You
but the spirit's still up.
The spirit's still there, man. It's still there. Natural mystic flowing through the air, see it?
Real talk.
Yeah,
talk to me now about what's next for Vyza then. Where you work on? What's the plan?
Well, we have a song named Black Pearl. Number 10 man a Black Pearl. Invictus dog out me sweet so. Girl them a say dog out we clean so. One go, bro God, Lego. Girl a John here, Nikes, fresh pair, you know. Yeah, we have a song called Black Pearl. I want to big up the legend. You get me I say cause I notice that when the people them pass off, we pay homage. Yeah. You know what I mean? So me I say respect to a legend, Black Pearl, Walter Boyd. You see?
Tell the people what most makes Vyza done intense.
Jamaica don't manufacture a gun, but whole heap of them you full up in the slum. If you old and grey, me no want die young. Go tell me some man say me never want none. For win your election, gun distribution, politics, why man a run up and down. Ship don't sail and the system a fail. Well, one prevail, now have time for go jail. No few no get a good education, nothing no contribute to them elevations. Forget a Vyza done. Well, a meditation, no give in to political temptation. Me give on to music, me dedication. Dream and a dream, got me nomination, international waters. One go on tour. Me have a little money, but me want a little more. Intense.
Lyrically inclined. Vyza,
yeah, man.